Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Enix and in today's vlog we are going to make a reaction to Alip Bata, especially that it's raining here in Philippines. So I choose this one because it's kind of relaxing and when it's nighttime and it's raining, so chill lang tayo ngayon. He uploaded this video yesterday and it has already 178,000 views. And this is just a very short video. So without further ado, let's make a reaction now to Alip Bata. And the title of the song is Manok Emprit. So my reaction talaga. I think correct me if I'm wrong. Manok Emprit is music composed by Alip Bata. And of course, Indonesian and Tagalog, they are kind of similar when it comes to national language. So Manok Emprit, for me, Manok is it's like here it's manok, 'di ba? Type of birds. Every time I make a reaction, I don't check the wordings. I don't check what doesn't mean. I don't check if it's composed by Alip Bata or maybe it's just a guitar cover. So I want my reaction to be what do you call this? Ano ba tawag doon? I want my reaction to be authentic. So, it's like, what you see is what you get every time I watch the whole video while making a reaction vlog. So, for me, uh, during the time that I was listening and watching him, my reaction is like, it's very cheerful. It's very jolly. It's like this melody is full of happiness. So my mood, because it's raining here in Manila. It's raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? What I mean is, of course, during this gloomy weather here in Philippines, my mood is always down. I'm so very lazy to go out, and I'm very lazy to do everything I want. I just want to lay down and just watch Netflix. But of course, with the music of Alibata, the Manok Emprit, I think this is his own composition, right, guys? And it it giving me like it's like giving me some kind of good vibes, and this is what I need, especially na it's raining, right? So it's like my imagination is song for joyride, like being with friends and just enjoying the sightseeing during the ride. This is a very good song, and if I want to use music as my background music for my content, because I love making videos, right? So I will use this kind of music or kind of song into like a driving scenery. It's like a driving scene where I could enjoy, sit back and relax and enjoy the moment as a passenger, and just watching the outside, the scenery, and while being in a happy mood. So it's giving you some kind of uplifting moods, and this is the kind of song for that kind of moment. And thank you, Alif Bata, for this wonderful music of yours, because now I even it's nighttime and it's still raining outside, my mood is parang I'm stuck now in a happy, jolly kind of mood. And thank you so much. I like it. I love it. Kind of cute. It's very catchy. Turned out that the 2 minutes looks like a parang for me, the 2 minutes of watching him, it's like 5 minutes already. Because I never get tired of the melody. I never get tired of the type of music. I'm enjoying it, and I thought it's 5 minutes, but it's 2 minutes only. My imagination is cartoon, like with some kind of adventure animation, and yun nga, joyride. So there you have it. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. And if you want me to make a reaction to your favorite artist, please do comment down below. If you know some new trending from Indonesian artists, I would love to make a reaction about them. So thank you so much and enjoy your weekend. And don't forget that life is so beautiful. So much love from Philippines. This is Enix. Mwah!